This is Selivanov test for presence of ketosis. In these test tubes there are glucose, fructose, sucrose, lactose, starch and water as a negative control. We're gonna add about 10 drops of Selivanov's reagent and then we're gonna put the test tubes in a hot water bath. They're gonna stay as long until the first test tube changes the color, and then the test will be stopped. The first test tube fructose changed the color. This is a positive test, fructose. This is a glucose, negative. This is sucrose and the color is white, reddish. This is water, the negative control. This is starch, negative. And this is lactose, negative control, negative result. Now, why Selivanov gave a light color, light reddish color with the sucrose? Fructose is a ketose and the color is dark red. Sucrose is disaccharide and the color is light, very light reddish. This is because sucrose is disaccharide made by glucose and fructose. So Selivanov's reagent has acid and the acid hydrolyzes the bond, releasing fructose, and the fructose can react with Selivanov's reagent and develops a color.